Have you ever wondered about the fundamental nature of reality? Are you intrigued by the mysteries that lie beyond the surface of our world? Eager to unravel the secrets of existence and consciousness? Let's unlock the universe mysteries by exploring metaphysics. What is metaphysics? Metaphysics is a fundamental branch of philosophy that delves into the nature of reality, existence, and the fundamental principles that underlie our world. It seeks to answer the questions that go beyond the empirical and scientific realms, exploring concepts such as being, time, space, causality, and the nature of consciousness. Metaphysics seeks to uncover the underlying nature of the universe and the relationships between various elements that comprise us. It goes beyond the observable and ventures into the realm of abstract ideas and philosophical pondering. Is metaphysics still relevant to our everyday life in this age of science and technology? While metaphysics may seem distant from our daily routines, its influence is subtly woven into our lives. Our beliefs, values, and perceptions are often shaped by underlying metaphysical assumptions. Questions about free will, the mind body relationship, and the nature of time can impact our decision making, ethical considerations, and understanding of the world around us. Moreover, the quest for meaning and purpose, central to metaphysical exploration, influences our personal growth, relationships, and pursuit of knowledge. Thus, even though metaphysics deals with the abstract concepts, its implications extend into our day-to-day lives. No doubt, metaphysics is characterized by its complexity and its ability to provoke deep intellectual contemplation. It deals with abstract concepts that can be difficult to define precisely and often lack concrete empirical evidence. As a result, metaphysical discussions can lead to various interpretations and perspectives, contributing to its intricate nature. Philosophers throughout history have grappled with questions about the existence of universals, the nature of reality, and the limits of human knowledge. The complexity of metaphysics lies in its ability to challenge conventional wisdom and encourage individuals to ponder the fundamental nature of reality. From the nature of time to the mind body relationship, metaphysical questions spark contemplation that touches on the very essence of human existence. To know all this, you are on the right channel. Join us on an intellectual journey like no other with our exclusive 10 lecture series on understanding metaphysics. Each lecture will open doors to new perspectives, guiding you through the complexities of metaphysical concepts in an engaging and accessible manner. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to expand your understanding of the universe. Stay connected and stay curious. Subscribe to our channel, TheArchiveOfficial. Following are the 10 metaphysical questions. You will find the answers of these questions in the venture of 10 lecture series, so don't miss it.